In the last video, we extended our targeting system. We added AoE targeting, priority scoring, and soft lock stability. But today, we're going to do something more important. We're going to compose those rules together to build real combat behaviours. Not new systems, not rewrites, composition. By this point in the series, our targeting system can select one target, select multiple targets, score them intelligently, and stabilise selection. So the question becomes, how do real combat abilities use this? Because in actual games, abilities don't just pick one thing, they layer rules, they gather, they filter, they score, and they stabilise, and only then they execute. Today we'll build two real examples, Chain Lightning and Smart Cleave. And you'll see something important. We're not adding new targeting systems, we're combining the ones we already built. Let's start with Chain Lightning. The behaviour we want, hit one target, then jump to nearby enemies, prefer closer ones, never hit the same enemy twice, and stop after a maximum number of jumps. That sounds complex, but watch how simple it becomes when you think in layers. The first target is easy. We use select targets, nothing new. Same single target selection, same priority rules, same soft lock. We are not rewriting anything. Now we want the lightning to jump. We pass the first target's position, a radius value, and our existing validation context. That returns a list of valid models. Notice something important. We are reusing validate target. AoE and Chain both reuse the same validator. That's the power of separation. Now we remove targets we've already hit. This is not targeting logic, it's ability logic. Targeting decides what is valid. The ability decides what it wants to do. So we keep a small table called already hit and exclude those. Clean, simple. Now from remaining candidates, we select the next best. How? Exactly the same way as before. Score, sort, pick highest. Chain targeting isn't a new system. It's repeated targeting. If your targeting system is modular, chaining becomes trivial. If your targeting is hard-coded, chaining becomes spaghetti. And now we have single, gather, filter, score, select. That's the composition. Now let's build something different. Smart Cleave. We want primary target in front of player, also hit enemies in a forward arc, but not enemies behind the player. So now direction matters. We call getTargets in radius again, same module, same validator, no changes. Now we introduce a directional filter. This is simple vector math. We calculate the direction from the player to the target, then compare it to the player's forward vector. If the angle is within our threshold, we keep the target. If not, we discard it. That's it. One filter, and suddenly combat feels intentional. Direction is not input logic. Direction is filtering logic. We gather broadly, then narrow intentionally. That layered structure is what makes systems flexible. Now you can see enemies in front are hit, enemies behind are ignored. Same targeting system, different filters. Let's zoom out for a moment. What did we actually build today? Not new modules, not rewrites, we layered rules. If you understand that pipeline, you can build almost any combat behavior. Boss targeting, threat targeting, support healing, area denial, cone attacks, chain effects. They are all compositions. Notice what we did not do. We did not rewrite GetBestTarget. We did not duplicate validation code. We did not hard code ability logic into targeting. Abilities declare rules. Targeting executes selection. Server validates authority. Client stabilizes intent. That separation is why this scales. At this point, your targeting system can select one, select many, score intelligently, stabilize smoothly, and compose layered rules. And once you can compose rules, you're no longer building abilities, you're building behaviors. In the next video, we'll look at how this targeting system integrates into full combat flow, cooldowns, prediction, and real ability architecture. But for now, we've built the core targeting foundations used in real action games, and that's a big step.